That ground's no good. I just seen a little spark come off it too.
Oh, I think it just came on.
Yeah, so that ground right there is what the problem is. Oh. Okay, I'm freezing to death. I quit. Thanks a lot. Have a good night. Who comes and buys a trailer at 11 o'clock at night? It drives like 4 hours. What is this guy, Pug One or something? Good Lord. But whatever, she's gone. I'll take more rooms for activities, a couple dollars for your grumman parts. But got a little bit of a situation here. The light, something or other, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It seems like when you start up the machine, and as long as you know what I mean, leave this arm down, as soon as I lift the arm up, get out of it, change the attachment, get back in, no work. So to me, well, it's either this switch or there's some sort of computer issue, but there's another switch the same for the cab, but we're not dicking with the cab. As soon as you dick with this, it starts malfunctioning. So we'll see about changing this, and then hopefully it's fixed. Oh, hopefully this fixes it. Awesome. I'll drop this nut down there too. Make it a party. Let's just make it a party, boys. I gotta send the hobo packing today too, because this is just ridiculous. He just doesn't. He's got some add-on Kijiji. He's in this desperate situation. It's like, well, he wants to plug into 120 volts and he can be security for somebody and offer work, and he's got some special security measures in his van, wink wink. You want to hang out, whatever, but not here. You know what I mean? So anyways, let's try this freaking skid steer out. What'd you find? Could you hear me singing?
Today's coffee chocolate brought to you by Diesel Conversion Specialist.
Specialist? Yeah. Oh, please fix my trapter.
I'm working on her. Working on it. Working on the railroad.
Do you even know what all the buttons on that do?
On this?
Yeah.
Yeah, most of them. The ones that I don't need are the ones that you can measure temperature with when you put this in your butt. I don't need that one. But apparently you can do that.
Speaking of putting stuff in your butt, I gotta go check on the hobo.
Alright, no problem.
He's gotta go. He's just gotta go. Oh, I made like a bunny trail. I made a bunny trail, for sakes. Holy shit. Good fucking Lord. Hey man, are you in this thing or what? Oh, you are in here. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's cool. So like, what's going on? You got like a tow truck coming, or you got your shit packed, or what are you doing?
I'm hoping to. I need that. Yeah, I need the internet for like 10 minutes somehow. I got a whole bunch of things that I got going on, but I can't. I was gonna walk to petroleum or whatever there just to get the internet, or get somehow to just get my phone or internet running.
Yeah, well.
Because as soon as I do that,
Hiding out in this van for days and days in my yard and shit, and not doing all isn't working. So we got to figure something out like today. So like, I don't know if you want to pack up your shit and we'll can tow you back to London, or what your deal is, but this isn't going to work.
Yeah, no, I know that. As I say, if I had the internet, I could be gone long ago. I was talking to my dad the last of it, and I had something worked out with him, but then boom. I don't even know what the happened to the internet. I can't even. I've tried jiggling the cable. I've tried fucking everything. Even like going over there and looking, following it, see if it was cut or something, ate it or something. Not even. Trying. Then I thought, if someone sells phone cards, I could buy a public mobile phone card, but you can't because it's a Walmart brand. So you got to go into you online, or you got to go into Walmart and grab the card, right?
Yeah.
They don't have it like, remember before you go to the convenience store and you could just grab your like whatever card it is, like a $15 phone card.
Yeah. Well, either way, I've told you, and you just keep doing it. So you got to go. So figure your shit out. Like, as soon as you got your shit packed, we'll get you a tow truck here. Snowy. Matty snowy.
A little bit.
That's the same intake that I got from Diesel Conversion Specialist. That's like the same one.
Oh, it is.
I had one the whole time.
It's backwards.
Yeah, it's facing forward, so it'll fit in the Grumman.
Yeah.
That's the Grumman conversion part right there. I found it. So were you down in the convoy or what?
I was in Ottawa last weekend.
You were not.
Yes, I was.
Were you causing a ruckus? No. Playing hockey and giving out groceries to truckers?
I wish. No. No. A couple of my buddies were up there and they had a good time, I guess. So I was gonna go to the one in Toronto this weekend, but then that wasn't a thing.
Now you gotta fix trapters.
Yeah, fix some trapters.
Yeah, if they just waited a couple weeks, I'd have that Grumman done, and I could have sent Train Horn City. Right. Another Train Horn.
Annoy the living shit out of people.
Mm-hmm. Oh, mother hobo lard.
We're good.
Careful. You fixed it, buddy.
Fixed. Yeah, it works now. Now the light goes flashy. Now it works. Yeah.
That's so dumb.
Yeah, that was not fun to do either.
Well, not, in the winter. Well, yeah. If it was in the shop and you could just grab the tools, zip that thing off quick, and blah, blah, blah. But
Easy peasy, right?
yeah. Holy shit, you're shoveling?
Yeah.
Where were you 2 days ago, for f***'s sakes?
What?
I said, where were you 2 days ago?
Now you know I have that heated system.
Well, heated system? Oh, has it melted all your ice?
Look at that.
Solid ice. What are these panels?
That's really high grade stainless steel.
I fucking apologize. And then you just put poop in there and it's all coming off? Oh no.
When I put it down, I silicone them all, and fillers just for filler. It won't leak. That stainless steel was so heavy.
What's that, your shitter vent?
That's the bathroom vent. It's for a big ceiling fan, or a big ceiling exhaust thing, like you have in a normal bathroom.
Oh yeah.
Right, so, and the flap. But when I put the stainless steel
What's
on,
that, custom?
yeah, that's a side window or a side building vent.
What is it for?
Gas tank.
Oh, I apologize.
Right, so you can go like that, and then when you're filling it up and it's raining, you're not getting rain down in your, and the hood scoop, same thing. It's the exact same one of these, except they just put the floor vent in there.
Yeah.
I got them for like, and of course they won't rust. Right, so I got them for, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks.
Oh, hobo, push it in.
No.
Oh. Heard ruckus over here. I couldn't understand what's happening. That guy shoveling. Hey?
Conducting the radio ratings in your area.
Radio ratings?
Understand radio audience? Yes. So we can better understand radio audiences in Canada. And this call should only take a few minutes of your time, and it's your chance to count in the rating.
And what's this for?
On your cell phone, are you able to safely take this call?
Do you have brain damage?
So that radio broadcasters and radio stations and broadcasters, so they want to know the people's preferences, and then they want to improve their services, like
that's great.
Station quality or the content, or music selections, anything.
Oh,
So why they are running
that's
this
so
survey.
great. Can you say a whole bunch of more gibberish words?
You can actually take a look at our webpage if there is more detailed information there.
Yeah, that's great.
So, but before that, I need to check.
That's really wonderful.
Numerous.ca. Are you able to safely take this call?
Oh, yeah, as long as you can just continue on to just yammer on a bunch of gibberish, that'd be wonderful.
All right. Does this phone belong to either you or another member of your household?
Oh, no, I'm using the derelict hobo's phone right now.
Okay, so this is not your phone?
No, it's the derelict hobo's phone. Is that okay?
So I don't know who that is. So is that your name or
Yeah.
somebody else's name?
Yeah, that's my name. I'm the derelict hobo.
Okay, so which means that that's your phone then, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And before we continue, can I confirm that you are 18 years of age or older?
Yeah, I'm 50.
So please note that. This call may be monitored, recorded for quality and training purposes. Your information is confidential and strictly used for research purposes.
Oh, those are
So
some
never
really
disclose
nice.
Your name, address, or phone number.
Yeah, that's some good gibberish right there. That's great.
And nor will we ever sell your information to a third party. And does your household have a working landline telephone?
Yeah, man.
Do you have a landline home phone?
Do you
as
have
well?
Peter Nats? Excuse me, hello?
No.
You
Do you have a? Does your household have a working landline telephone?
do you have Peter?
Landline home phone?
Do you have Peter Nats?
Then do you have an internet? That's a good question.
Yeah, that's a good
It's
question.
an online survey, so internet is required.
Do you have Peter Nats?
So that's not on the script, so I need to just get the answer from you.
Can I just ask you a quick question,
does your
please?
household have a working landline telephone?
Can I just ask you a quick question? Hello?
Oh, no. Because it's an interview. I can ask you some questions about this survey.
Okay, but
So if you don't want to participate, that's fine. It's a voluntary survey.
yeah, but
So you're not interested in it?
I just wanted to know if you had Peter Nats. That's it, simple.
So does your household have a working landline telephone?
Yes. Now, you answer me. Do you
That's
have
the
Peter
easy
nets?
question, right?
Do you have Peter
Okay,
nets?
so I guess you're not taking this seriously, so I'm going to hang up this phone call.
Oh, I apologize. Oh, you're going to stop saying a bunch of gibberish to me now. Thank you for that. That's a wonderful... That's wonderful.
I'm wondering if they're gonna look at you and look and see if you have a bed and all that. Do a whole channel like that. Just like that. I do want to put it back on this though. This is gonna be so dry. This is gonna be so dry.
Here we go, boys.
Oh yeah, there we go. There we go.
All right.
There we go. The fucking watch this shit. The fucking waxy shit. This is gonna burn too. It's gonna taste like ass.
That's been sitting there for weeks.
It's got rust in it.
No, okay, but it's going to sting the opening for a few days. Here, it's still smoldering. Get another one
Yeah,
up
it's
you.
because I'm smoking the box.